Go Giants. Box of Dominion. Here, you sip it.
What's up?
You're doing it.
What's that? All right, I guess I'll do Go
You need to have
Giants.
some fun, bro.
What's that?
I say you need to have some fun, bro.
Oh, no, all right. I just walked out with 2 base cards. Other than that, it's not too bad.
That's a $90 base card.
The one's going to Nick.
Tell Nick it's almost $90.
Here, Nick. Here's your base card for my Johnny T card you gave me. Fair trade. Fair trade.
Be like, hey, dude, I paid $180 for it.
Fair trade. Ooh, that's a pretty.
Ooh, nice. I thought it was gonna be hurt. That would have been crazy.
Yeah, we'll just do this. There's a Buffalo hit.
Hey, there's the first Buffalo I think we pulled.
Jersey, base, Mikhail
Grigorenko.
of Buffalo at a 99. Base, Tyler Sagan at a 299. We're going to do your rookie patch auto here. Ty McGinn out of for Philly at a 299. Unfortunately, it's one color, but 299. Beautiful patch auto. It is 4 color. There's a little piece of white at the very top corner here. Nice 4 color. Antinemi. San Jose Sharks out of 99. Gold base. Brendan Smith out of 50. And back-to-back beginnings. Teach Me How to Dougie Hamilton of Boston.
Spooner.
And Ryan Spooner out of 149. Pulled it earlier.
Sick card. I like that set.
I love that set.
That's nice.
It's hard to display, but I love it. There you go. Go Giants.